waves, each having frequency of 100 Hz and wavelength of 2 cm, are traveling in the same direction on the string. What is the phase difference between the waves if the second wave has produced 0.015 second later than the first on the same place? Right, if the two waves are produced at a distance of 4 cm behind the second one, let's solve the first part first of all. Right, we know that the phase difference is given by 2 pi by time period into time change. Like, so just substitute the value 2 pi by time period. Right, I know the frequency, so time period will be 0.01 because frequency is 100 Hz. So time period will be 1 by nu, that is 0.01. So it is 0.01 into 0.015. So it comes out to be 3 pi. Right. In second case, if the two waves are produced at a distance of 4 cm behind the second one. Fine. So I do have a part difference now. So it will be 2 pi by lambda into delta x. So it will be 2 pi by lambda. Value of lambda is given as 2 cm and delta x is given as 4 cm. So it comes out to be the 4 pi. In C part, if each of the wave has an amplitude of 2 mm, amplitude is given as 2 mm, what would be the amplitude of the resultant waves in part A and in part B? Fine. So what is happening in part A is there is a phase difference of 3 pi. Right. Now the phase difference of 3 pi is same to that of pi, because as we know that, let's say if a particle is moving in a circle and a particle is starting from here, then 3 pi phase difference means one complete circle and one semicircle. So the particle at this position, which is exactly out of phase to the position at point A. Fine. So similarly I can say if the phase difference between the two waves is 3 pi, right? So one will be like this and another will be like this. So the net amplitude at each of the point will be 0. So in A part, net amplitude is 0. For in second, 4 pi. In 4 pi case, let's say this is my complete 2 pi, another 4 pi. So the particle is in phase with the earlier particle. So what will be it like? If one wave is like this, the another wave will also be like this, and the net amplitude will be doubled. So net amplitude will be equal to 4 mm. That is the answer.